Cell transport, it's quite a YOLO. In and out of cells, the particles go. This important process brings nutrients to the cell. Endocytosis does its job very well. As the cell performs its processes, it often makes waste. These dangerous substances must be released with haste. Exocytosis is responsible for this. The waste is put in resticles and then it's banished. Cell transport, we've just gotta say, is important to the world in many different ways. It helps organisms get food to their cells, so in marching competitions they perform really well. In phagocytosis, particles are taken in, then they're broken down to get the energy within. These three processes require energy. They get it in the form of ATP. Since they need energy to get the job done, the cell needs active transport to be number one. When the use of ATP is not required, passive transport is the process the cell will hire.
Cell transport, we just gotta say, is important to the world in many different ways. It helps organisms get food to their cells, so in marching competitions they perform really well.
Diffusion is passive, it moves from high to low. If the particles are water, osmosis is your bro. If it is facilitated, the diffusion has help. It goes through the protein channel faster than Phelps. The diffusion continues till the concentration's even. This is called dynamic equilibrium. Ions, charged atoms, can be transported too, though this process is different from the other two.
Cell transport, we've just gotta say, is important to the world in many different ways. It helps organisms get food to their cells, so in marching competitions they perform really well. Cell transport, we've just gotta say, is important to the world in many different ways. It helps organisms get food to their cells, so in marching competitions they perform really well.
Ion-gated channels let the ions get inside when certain kinds of chemicals tell the gate to open wide. Sodium potassium pumps help balance concentration. It helps the cell maintain dynamic equilibrium. Cell transport is amazing. To the cell, it's a given. And just like our drumline, it deserves a 97. So let's thank Cell Transport for a really great show. And never forget the important YOLO!
Cell transport, we've just gotta say, is important to the world in many different ways. It helps organisms get food to their cells, so in marching competitions they perform really well.